Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Honor 200 Pro and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, firstly open Google Chrome application, tap on the three dots on the right corner and there settings. In it, we choose our Google Password Manager and there we get access to our password which our smartphone saved, maybe to our Netflix account. We can click there. Now we can enter our lock screen to get connected to that. Or we can get access by our Touch ID. After that, we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share passwords to our friends by this icon and click on share, or we can edit something by edit and write something new. If you change something, remember to press save. You can also delete these passwords from our account by delete and confirm by delete again, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.